Hey there, food lovers and kitchen enthusiasts. Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking game? Imagine perfectly cooked meals, bursting with flavor and nutrition, all from a compact appliance on your countertop. Sound too good to be true? Well, get ready to be amazed. Today, I am diving into the world of countertop steam ovens, the secret weapon of professional chefs that's now making its way into home kitchens. These nifty appliances are changing the game, offering the perfect blend of convenience and culinary excellence. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is right for you? That's where I come in. I've tested, tasted, and scrutinized the top contenders to bring you my countdown of the 6 best countertop steam ovens on the market. So, whether you're a seasoned chef looking to up your game, or a cooking novice wanting to impress, stick around. Starting my list at number 6 is the Elite Gourmet Euro 2008 FFP Countertop XL Toaster Oven. While not a dedicated steam oven, this versatile appliance offers a range of cooking functions that make it a worthy contender in the countertop oven category. The Elite Gourmet boasts a spacious interior, accommodating a 12-inch pizza or up to 6 slices of bread. Its convection feature ensures even cooking and faster results compared to traditional ovens. During our tests, I found that it preheated quickly and maintained consistent temperatures throughout the cooking process. One of the standout features of this oven is its rotisserie function. I tested it with a small chicken, and the results were impressive: juicy meat with crispy skin. The included rotisserie spit and fork assembly were easy to use, making it a great option for those who enjoy perfectly roasted meats. The oven comes with multiple rack positions, allowing for flexibility in cooking different types of dishes. I particularly appreciated the French doors, which open wide for easy access to the interior. This design also helps prevent heat loss when checking on your food. While it lacks a dedicated steam function, the Elite Gourmet still produces moist results thanks to its convection technology. I found it particularly effective for baking bread and reheating leftovers without drying them out. However, for dishes that truly benefit from steam cooking, you may want to consider some of the other options on our list. Moving up to number 5, I have the Whynter TSO 488GB Grande. This countertop oven combines convection and steam cooking, offering a more comprehensive cooking experience than our previous entry. The Whynter TSO 488GB impressed us with its large 40-quart capacity, making it suitable for families or those who enjoy entertaining. Despite its size, it fits comfortably on most countertops and has a sleek, modern design that would complement any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this oven is its dual cooking modes. You can use it as a traditional convection oven or activate the steam function for healthier, more flavorful results. I tested both modes and found that the steam function excelled at keeping foods moist, particularly when cooking vegetables and fish. The digital control panel is intuitive and easy to use, with preset functions for various cooking tasks. I particularly appreciated the delay start and keep warm features, which add convenience to meal preparation. The oven also includes a temperature probe, allowing for precise cooking of meats. During my tests, I found that the Whynter TSO 488GB performed well across a range of cooking tasks. From baking cakes to roasting chicken, the results were consistently good. The steam function was particularly effective for reheating leftovers without drying them out. However, I did notice that it took slightly longer to preheat compared to some other models I tested. 4. Panasonic HomeChef 7-in-1 Compact Oven. This versatile appliance combines multiple cooking functions in a relatively compact package, making it an excellent choice for those with limited counter space. The Panasonic HomeChef impressed us with its range of cooking modes, including air fry, convection bake, steam, and steam convection. I found the steam function to be particularly effective, producing moist and flavorful results across a variety of dishes. One of the standout features of this oven is its flash press technology, which uses infrared light to cook food quickly and evenly. I tested this feature with toast and were impressed by how quickly and evenly it browned the bread. The combination of steam and convection cooking also produced excellent results when baking bread and roasting meats. The compact size of the Panasonic HomeChef is both a pro and a con. While it takes up less counter space than some other models, it also has a smaller cooking capacity. I found it suitable for cooking meals for 2 to 3 people, but it might be limiting for larger families or those who frequently entertain. Despite its smaller size, the oven comes with a range of accessories, including an air fry basket, baking tray, and steam tray. I appreciated the thoughtful design of these accessories, which made it easy to switch between different cooking modes. The digital controls are intuitive, and the preset cooking functions take the guesswork out of preparing common dishes. 3. Tovala Gen 2 Smart Steam Oven. This innovative appliance combines steam cooking with smart technology, offering a unique approach to meal preparation. The Tovala Gen 2 stands out with its ability to scan barcodes from Tovala's meal kits, automatically setting the correct cooking time and temperature. I tested this feature and were impressed by how effortlessly it produced restaurant-quality meals. However, it's worth noting that the oven is not limited to Tovala meals. It can also be used for regular cooking. One of the key features of this oven is its precise steam control. Unlike some other models that simply inject steam into the cooking chamber, the Tovala Gen 2 can create specific steam cycles for different types of food. I found this particularly effective when cooking fish and vegetables, which retain their moisture and nutrients. The compact size of the Tovala Gen 2 makes it suitable for small kitchens, but it does limit the cooking capacity. I found it adequate for meals for 1 to 2 people, but it might be too small for larger families. Despite its size, it offers multiple cooking functions including steam, bake, broil, and toast. I am impressed by the Tovala app, which not only controls the oven but also provides a library of recipes specifically designed for the appliance. The app walks you through each step of the cooking process, making it an excellent choice for novice cooks or those looking to expand their culinary skills. While the Tovala Gen 2 excels at steam cooking and offers unique smart features, it may not be the best choice for those who prioritize versatility or cooking capacity. However, for individuals or small households looking for an easy way to prepare healthy, flavorful meals, it's definitely worth considering. 2. FOTILE ChefCubii 4-in-1 Countertop Convection Steam Oven. This versatile appliance impressed us with its range of functions and superior cooking performance. The ChefCubii combines 4 cooking methods in one appliance: steam, convection bake, air fry, and dehydrate. I found this versatility to be a major advantage, allowing us to prepare a wide range of dishes without needing multiple appliances. The steam function in particular stood out for its ability to produce moist, flavorful results. One of the standout features of the ChefCubii is its precise temperature control. I tested it across various cooking tasks and found it maintained consistent temperatures throughout the cooking process. This was particularly noticeable when baking delicate items like soufflés and custards, which turned out perfectly every time. The oven's capacity is impressive, with enough space to accommodate a 10-inch pizza or a whole chicken. I appreciated the large see-through window, which allowed us to monitor our food without opening the door and losing heat. The interior light was also a helpful feature during cooking. I was particularly impressed with the ChefCubii's steam function, which offers 3 different steam settings. The low steam setting, 86 degrees Fahrenheit minus 194 degrees Fahrenheit, was perfect for delicate foods, preserving nutrients, and maintaining structure. The regular steam, 194 degrees Fahrenheit minus 230 degrees Fahrenheit, worked well for a wide range of dishes, while the high steam, 230 degrees Fahrenheit, excelled at cooking dense foods like shellfish. The oven comes with 40 preset recipes, which I found to be a great starting point for exploring its capabilities. From egg tarts to pizza, these presets took the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures. However, I also appreciated the flexibility to manually adjust settings for our own recipes. One minor drawback I noticed was that the oven could sometimes produce excess condensation during long cooking sessions. However, this was easily managed and didn't significantly impact the cooking results. Taking the top spot in my countdown is the Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven. This appliance stood out for its perfect balance of functionality, performance, and user-friendliness, making it my top pick for the best countertop steam oven. The Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven offers an impressive array of cooking functions, including steam, bake, broil, and a combination steam-bake mode. During my tests, I found that each mode performed exceptionally well, producing consistently excellent results across a wide range of dishes. One of the standout features of this oven is its steam function. I was particularly impressed by how it maintained food moisture while still achieving a perfect golden brown exterior on items like bread and pastries. The steam-bake combination mode was especially effective for roasting meats, resulting in juicy interiors and crispy exteriors. The oven's capacity is generous, easily accommodating a 12-inch pizza or a 4.5-pound chicken. I appreciated the multiple rack positions, which allowed for flexibility in cooking different types of dishes simultaneously. The interior light and large viewing window made it easy to monitor food without opening the door and losing heat. I found the controls to be intuitive and easy to use, with preset functions for common dishes as well as the ability to manually adjust settings. The digital display is clear and easy to read, even from across the kitchen. The included recipe book was a helpful addition, providing inspiration and guidance for making the most of the oven's capabilities. One feature that particularly impressed us was the oven's ability to maintain precise temperature control. Whether steaming delicate vegetables or baking a soufflé, the temperature remained consistent throughout the cooking process, resulting in perfectly cooked dishes every time. The Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven also excelled in terms of ease of cleaning. The non-stick interior and removable drip tray made post-cooking cleanup a breeze. I also appreciated the self-cleaning steam function, which helped keep the oven in top condition with minimal effort. While it's not the most compact option on my list, I found that the Cuisinart's performance and versatility more than justified its countertop footprint. It effectively replaced several other appliances in our kitchen, making it a worthwhile investment for serious home cooks. In conclusion, the Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven impressed us with its versatility, precise temperature control, and excellent cooking results across a wide range of dishes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking novice, this oven offers the perfect blend of functionality and ease of use, making it my top pick for the best countertop steam oven. There you have it, my comprehensive review of the top 6 countertop steam ovens on the market. From versatile multifunction appliances to specialized steam ovens, there's an option to suit every kitchen and cooking style. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current setup or diving into the world of steam cooking for the first time, I hope this guide has helped you find the perfect appliance for your needs. Happy cooking, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen appliance reviews and cooking tips.